INEN Plus project. It goes along 5 main objectives: attract new talents, develop them beyond academic curricula, increase the retention of those talents within nuclear professions, involve nuclear stakeholders. Let me just briefly say that universities and academia cannot attract more than just the curious people. If you would like to have more than the small fraction of very curious people, you need to get industry and the governments on board, or we need to do that to get people around. And of course, if we succeed in this cycle, to sustain the cycle. We focus on only four education disciplines in this endeavor. One is nuclear reactor engineering and safety, second, waste management, geological disposal, and then radiation protection and medical applications. The key contributions expected from the project would be some attractive e-materials on nuclear profession, and this should be from high school pupils up to the bachelor's and master's, so different levels. European-wide competition for high school pupils, support for learners in all career phases based on two things: career guidance from senior people from the universities like students, and senior people from industry and professors, and funding supporting the mobility and access to internships and infrastructure. Another point is voluntary accreditation function, both for academic and professional training, and sustainable mobility fund, improved communication with industry and decision makers to sustain the cycle, and kind of European-wide nuclear education, training and knowledge management strategy, which does not exist at this point in time. So the budget of the project is roughly 3 million. 1 million out of this is for mobility grants. What we see behind this 1 million is roughly 500 mobility actions could be realized in 3 years, period. In the partner side, you see industry, academia, research institute, and also international organizations like Foratom, European Nuclear Society, and EFOM, which is European Federation of Medical Physics, and Nuginia, which is also European Association of Generation 2 and 3 nuclear power plants. In summary, again, one message, at least for me to take home, is that nuclear energy strives to use the best available people, science, experience, and so on. We are faced with a really complex situation, both technologically and sociologically. So what we need in the future probably are very good specialists, technical specialists, but who can communicate with other technical specialists and other people. So technical specialists with multidisciplinary and multicultural experience already after the end of the school, so they can start working in different environments and connecting different environments. One way to go for this is improve balance between education and training, competition and cooperation, and complexity and attraction. So thank you very much for your attention. For more questions later on, or at the email here. Thank you.